This is a paper circle punch. It is a little tool for your crafts. It comes in different sizes. This one here is 1 3/4 inches. There are different sizes to choose from depending on what you are making. And the way it works, it has a mechanism here on the back where it punches out your paper, and even a thicker paper than just normal paper. I'm going to show you how it works. So I have some design paper here, and as you can see, some has foil, some doesn't, but it is quite a thick kind of paper. Then I'm just going to add the paper to the punch. And now you have the paper beautifully punched. Let's do another paper.